The title of our study is the structure failure process of a schistosity rock under microradiation at high temperatures. Schistosity structure significantly affects the mechanical breaking of rocks. In this study, the failure process of the granite with schistosity structure under microradiation was investigated. The granite shows a parentally schistosity structure, which can be divided into dark and light layers. The temperature range was set at 300 to 800 degrees Celsius, with a heating rate of 10 to 20 degrees Celsius per minute. Diffraction peaks of a crust were slightly shifted toward small angles with increasing temperatures, and the diffraction peak of a bite had decreased above 500 degrees Celsius and almost vanished at 800 degrees Celsius. The crack propagation of specimens is consistent with the schistosity direction. Besides, the partition melt is caused by the high temperature enrichment of a biotite. Changes of a sample quantity are mainly related to manual dehydration and biotite melting. The mechanical strength declined slowly below 500 degrees Celsius, which could be due to the water loss. However, a sharp reduction was observed above 500 degrees Celsius, which was mainly due to the schistosity failure and internal melt of dark areas. To sum up, the damage of the genuine granite structure under microwave radiation is mainly determined by the dark area. The microwave radiation can effectively damage the granite. Particularly, the schistosity direction significantly affected the cracking propagation.